Contains 3 essential moisturizers, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil and aloe. Rich shea butter helps restore and smooth dry skin. Provides continuous moisture for all day, intense hydration. Lightly fragranced and warmly scented. Top reviews from the United States. Best lotion ever. This formula is the best lotion I've ever had. As a person of color, I would usually mix shea butter with my lotion. I don't have to do this for this lotion, and it's the best moisturizer. It lasts all day, even on your feet in sandals. I can only find it on Amazon, so Keri can never discontinue this shea butter lotion because it's the best.